Look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love
They could back over and over.
Sky in town, and I won't let you in this club.
Stop playing with him, Riot.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so
What you do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. Won't please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand what you do to me, between me and you? I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I won't please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand?
You might have been playing with, makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear to change, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say, call your name.
So guys, I've been meaning to do this. Imagine, so on my face, you can say, this is gentle music. This is the gentle music. Let it dry for 5 minutes. Guys, I'm super. This was dry because it was like it causes irritation on my skin. So I'm is now and in the pimple, I'm not going to be happy. So I'm just going to let it dry before I apply my serum. I'm going to try fast. I'm going somewhere sana. Just minute get the first sun because I'm always late. So now coming very late. Nothing is I'm going to apply two Susan because mine should be dry. Yeah. So I'm applying. That's too much. In terms of damage, I'm going to camera. That's kind of too much, Sana. But it's okay. Things really. I mean, What do you call this? I'm done, guys. I'm done. I've been using this from 2022. Noch kanje. It's very bad. I was saying into right because he are taking too much. Took too much. I don't know why, son. This thing. It looks good. Single black spot. Maybe it's super sad. So yeah, guys, I'm done.
Halle Berry. But she don't love me, she just
Toasted bread and eggs.
I don't know, but thank you.
she too down.
Guys, we just did a, what do you call this thing? Flower challenge. I think you're going to see it before this vlog, Sana. You're going to see the flower challenge first before I drop this vlog, Sana.
Doing too funny.
Good morning, guys. Another day, another vlog. Sana. Guys, I don't know if this bucket hat looks cute on me or not. Sana, does it look cute on me? Guys, my head is a disaster. I'm going to begin. Oh my god, my head is a disaster, Shane. Guys, I'm going to town. I'm going to do a few errands. Yeah, come with me, son. I'll show you my full outfit outside. This time I'm being for real. 2 people told me that I always say that I'm going to show you my outfit when I'm outside, but then I end up not doing it. So today I'm going to show you guys, I promise. But then you guys know this outfit, man. I'll show you. This is Hope's OTD, Sana. She's wearing a, what do you call this thing? Baseball jacket, crop top from Shein. And where are you got cargo pants from? Yeah, and where did you get your Vans? Guys, I told you that I'm going to do an OCD. This is from the Hulas from Mama India. This is from the Fix. This is from Jed. This is from Putin.
Big shot, superstar, only shot, finish shot. All I get, body block. You want me on like Bolivar. Big shot, superstar, only shot, finish shot. Like two butter.
Leso. For me. Ah, shit, kabang. I like these ones, but then as come to the way of no corner. And it's cheap, 130.
I'm fashion taste.
Yeah, kabang nje mama studio. Come on, she. Okay, me son. And very affordable, 20 rand son. How was I give spoon? Look in a spoon. Hey, son, not saying. Hey guys, let me take this off, Sana. So I wanna show you the things that I got yesterday, Sana. So I got a serum, Sana. I used the serum, Gentle Magic serum. I got a body lotion, Sana. I wanted to try out a new body lotion because this one is no longer working out for me, but then it's fine. I'll just use it for now because there's no clicks here. There's Discam. I've never bought anything at Discam. Not Discam, there's a pharmacy. I don't have pharmacy sell body lotions and stuff like that. What did I buy? Oh guys, I bought a, so guys, so I want to show you guys. I bought a roll-on a BB. Guys, I don't know if I'm just being dramatic or not. So into the case I'm saying 8 leaks. I don't buy into the case my spa, but then I spa being 7 so the time I'm staying here. And come on strong. So guys, Izolo, my mom was going to buy my a BB, so I think roll on. I bought this in these days. So I think roll on, must roll on Yavela pants. Yeah, poke roll on, guys. I don't know if you can see, guys. Never like it broke. It poke look at my can begin. Never iphukile. Where have you ever seen a on it, guys? Into the CVB. Like, please don't buy a on it, baby son. And I told my mom, I don't use into the CVB. So my mom was like, come on, you get the ram. Nix. So here, here's the on. It's broken, so I'm going to put this in here. Let me show you how I'm going to do it. Let me put this here. So I'm going to take this all the on, and then take this out. Yeah, guys, now it's pumile. And then I'm going to put this, the new one, in this old container because ipugile sana. Just my pipi fan namakula. Like all on gap like all on ihlali iwa mara ayipuki. Just baby guys, so I'm warning you guys, don't buy your toiletries at BB or anything for that matter because comes so much energy. Because I'm gonna wash ukumash. Kabang incha, and it's new, like it's new. You can just see. Let me do this. Hope and tail. Oh, just yeah. There you go. And then I'm going to draw this. Yeah, there you go, Sana. There you go. There you go. There you go. At least, guys, it's a good. Like I katanga cool, guys. Nay. Naibon. Naibon. Get to it up. Yeah, guys, that's something I know some of you are going to think I'm dramatic regarding the, what do you call this thing? Regarding the, what do you call this thing? Roll on thing. But then I'm not being dramatic, guys. I was just showing you. Good. Don't buy a roll on it, baby, Sana, because I don't know what I was thinking with my mom, guys. So yeah, guys, that's all that I wanted to show you. My flesh is too much. These ones. And these ones. Yeah, let me show you. So these were 40 rand. These were also 40 rand. Let me do this. Yeah, so this is how they look. Yeah, this is how the other pair looks, Susanna. So I don't know which ones I like because my mother wanted these, but then they both don't look cute on me, Sana. So I'm going to go to Sana. I'll just see because I'm going to a funeral on Saturday. That's why I need that dramatic shade, Sana.
Oh my gosh, it's Brandon.
Yeah, I'm not that.
Make me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might.
Even through the hills and valleys, whatever God has.
Guys, izinkinga zami zomsemhlabeni aziphilisana, so amanzi ayavala kusasa ne. So I'm in town because I came to buy water. Angiphuza amanzi asepompini sana ne. So mangaphuza amanzi asepompini kusasa bathugisi namanzi ayahamba. Ene mangingathenga amanzi lawo today kusasa kuzobe kusiphuza amanzi wami kuyenzwani ngamanzi wami qabanga sana. And I've been asking my mom to buy me water because amanzi lawo asepompini angaphuza sana angigolisa. I needed water, Sana. So I don't even know what thing I have to tape you. Because I have only 4 days left, then I'm going back to my place. Let me show you guys. So I don't know which one to take. Let me take one of them.
But she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is fun like Jackie.
I want to say to everybody out there, because I know sometimes when you're working on your vision and your goal, the enemy will try to make you feel like it won't be what God has said it would be. But I stand to declare you as a living testimony that even through the hills and valleys, whatever God has said over your life, it will come to pass. And don't you stop until you get your portion. But I stand to declare you as a living testimony that even through the hills and valleys, whatever God has said.
Ha ke ja ka lona. No, tja ka lona. Go ke mme man, wona ga lo le mtswadi. Bo tse ke ga fitlhele di industry ena bona. Okay, do this. Okay, do this. Yeah? But it's so much of